Welcome this video. Create idea for plants, flower pouch. Plants, flower pouch are often overlooked in gardening, design yard, then often one of the most versatile, budget friendly for home gardening. Whether you are upcycle old and customized stone build often pouch are a black canvas for create with a few material and a little inspire you can transforming those simple constraints into steam design price for your indoor and outdoor space. Belong are sub functional idea tool. Personally, your pot plants was one of the most effective way to upcycle flower pot is with special design for pot work best. Can the pot to remove and Olivia appear at promo if use plants with your dining color or palette link effective or geometric design sub with a waterproof project for weather and water. Use